What's happening, guys? I'm Curtis, and unfortunately, I'm gonna have to cancel this episode. So, unfortunately, we don't have a video for this week. This week was my birthday, so I was busy spending some time with the wife. In addition to that, it's coming into springtime, so I had to do yard work and I had to help out Justin on the remote control truck track, and there's just been a lot going on. I haven't been able to make any progress in the shop. So we're gonna cancel this episode. I'm sorry. Thank you for coming back and being disappointed that there was nothing here this week, but next week we should have, I think next week actually we're gonna have a video on the remote control truck competition. We're going on Sunday. It'll be the first event of the season. Should be a pile of fun. We won't be building anything, but it'll be really neat to take you guys along to that. So check back next week for something on those lines. I should be getting parts sent this week. Summit says they'll ship them today, so we should be getting them right away, and then we can make the progress that I've promised you guys for the last couple weeks. So thanks for coming back. Till next week, I'm out of here.